Good morning, children. In today's class, we'll learn a new poem about patriotism. Lesson number 3, Our Nation, Patriotism. What do you mean by patriotism, children? Patriotism means love and devotion for one's own country. Which is our country, children? India. So here patriotism means love and devotion for our country, India. Now shall we go to the poem, children? Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike, or will we show our dislike? Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? The poet is asking us, how will we live in this country? Without inner boundaries means division in language, religion, rich, poor, etc. The poet is asking us whether we will live without showing any difference towards any kind of people. As you know, India is a country with all kinds of people. Will we treat everyone alike? So the poet once again asks whether we people, that is we Indians, will treat our fellow Indians alike, or will we treat the rich, the poor, or people who talk a different language in a different way? So the poet asks the question again, will we treat everyone alike, or will we show our dislike? The poet says that when we love India, we should love its people also. That is, we should love Indians and treat everyone the same. We should not have any boundaries. The poet wants us to treat all the Indians equally. Second paragraph. Will we stick to our core in, or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. The poet asks whether we will think that we are all one as Indians, or whether we will become foreign, that is, whether we will forget everything and live as foreigners with our own people. Who are our people, children? Indians. Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. So the poet once again tells us that we love our nation. That is, we love our country, India, but we don't love its people. So, we have to change ourselves. That is what the poem tells us. Patriotism means love and devotion for our country, India. Likewise, we should also develop love for our fellow human beings, Indians. Hope you understood the poem, children. The remaining part of the poem I will continue tomorrow. Thank you, children.